Yo, so if you're watching this video, it's probably because you're interested in the Michelin Pilot Sport AS4. Right off the bat, what I'm gonna tell you is AS stands for all season, if you didn't already know that. But when Michelin says all season, it's a different story. This isn't gonna be like your all season in California where it's 75 degrees and sunny every single day. This is gonna be dry, winter, snow, rain, and everything in between. This is gonna get you through it, and why it actually made our #1 tire for 2022. This is an amazing tire that comes in at a pretty decent price, but it focuses on performance while balancing that all-season tire. So it's a great tire for enthusiasts that have enthusiast cars that like to get down and boogie a little bit too. Chevy has actually chose this tire for the Corvette, so that says a lot in itself. If you want some fancy facts, it has an asymmetric tread pattern, which puts more rubber on the shoulder of the tire to improve the grip. It has extreme silica tread compound that is inspired by race tread designs. You can see all the little sipes in here that are gonna push everything out of the way. And if that isn't enough, well, we have Helio technology that helps grip the road even in that cold ass weather where it literally hurts to walk outside. If you're in the Midwest, you know what I'm talking about. If you're not, just be glad you don't have to deal with it. So with all of this in mind and how many different cars this tire can suit, it's one of our best tires for 2022. And not only that, but it only comes in at around $781, starting at an 18-inch size for a set of these. That is not bad for all the heritage you get with the Michelin brand name, the quality, and this beautiful tread pattern. Go check them out at fitmentindustries.com.